This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Google Slides and include your speaker's notes. Here I have a Google Slides presentation with 2 slides, and notice here at the bottom that I have some text indicating something about the pictures in the slides. If I want to download or print this slideshow, including notes, you can't just go to File and then click Print. What you will need to do is you will need to click Print Preview. When you select Print Preview, you'll be taken to the screen where you have some options at the top. You want to click here where it says One Slide Without Notes. Select that, and then select One Slide with Notes. When you do that, it will change to this print preview where it has a smaller version of your slide there with room for whatever notes you have to appear below that. Then from there, you can download this as a PDF or you can print it. So this video shows you how you can download or print your Google Slides and include your speaker's notes. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.